How to fix PostgreSQL connection to server at localhost port 5432 failed connection refused. Hello everyone, and let's get started. This error code typically means that the PostgreSQL server isn't running or isn't configured to accept connections on the specified port. So let's check out on few things that can be troubleshooted in order to fix the issue. To get started with, let's check PostgreSQL service status. For this, what you can do is open the services.msc from the Run tab or the search bar and open it. After that, go to the section where you can find PostgreSQL and your version. Right-click on it and then go to the properties. Once you tap on properties, it will open another page from where choose the startup type as automatic. Once you set it to automatic, click on apply and then on OK. Now you have to restart the service. For that, right click again and then click on restart. After this is done, you can close the services and restart your computer as well. After that, if you check for the Postgre connection, it should probably work. However, if it does not, let's move on to the second solution. For this, open File Explorer, go to Windows C, go to Program Files, go to PostgreSQL, go to your version of the folder and then on Data. Now click on PostgreSQL.config. Double tap on it to open it in any of the default formats such as Notepad or Word. On this file, search for the port and change the port number. If it is not configured, only then follow this step. After this also, the problem should be fixed. However, if it does not, go to the task manager, close and end all the tasks of Postgre and then restart it. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.